loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Astrid and this channel is all about beauty and tips and diets and all that good stuff. But today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Influencer VoxBox. So I received this yesterday and I am super excited to open it with you guys, but I kind of already peeked in there. As you all know, I have no patience. But anyways, before this video gets started, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also, I will be linking my Instagram information down below so that you guys can go ahead and follow me there as well. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this baby. So, as I mentioned, I already opened it, so I know what is going on in here, but I'm still super excited. So, what's the first thing we see? This is the hair, skin, and nail gummies. They are strawberry flavored and they have 2,500 mcg per servings with biotin. And let's see, they actually do smell like strawberries. I opened them already, so that's why. I think I'm just gonna eat them like candy because they're kind of good. Anyway, so I'm gonna start taking these tomorrow or today, as we noticed. So we will see. This is actually a perfect time for me to start taking these because that's not even a word. Because I just broke a nail. So this it broke like really crooked, so I had to like clip it, and it's like super short. So this is a perfect time to measure how fast it's gonna grow out. All of my nails are pretty good length right now. I've never actually had my own real nails be at a long length, which I am really excited about. And the way that I did that was with the Herbalife Beauty Booster. So I'm going to stop taking that and take this instead. And that way I can compare and be like, oh, okay, this is pretty good. It did it faster, or it did it at the same time, or like, no way, this is no good. You know, I'll let you guys know later on how that goes. The next thing you see here is these little sprays. So these are from Eva NYC. Okay, so these are temporary hair color. This is pink, this is purple. And you all know I love purple, so I actually want to try this on right now. I'm gonna make a mess, huh? Well, let's make a mess together. Why not? Let's see. How am I supposed to do this? Shake well, hold from 6 to 8 inches away from dry hair. My dogs want to go out. Wait, you guys. So protect clothing is good. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do a little bit. I'm scared. I colored my hand. I think I'll do this another day. It's not gonna work today. Yeah, no. We'll try it another day, you guys. But anyways, I have a purple hand. So it does smell pretty good though. It smells nice. So that's something else in there. And I have the Says Moi. I don't know how to say that. It's Me Purifying Charcoal Clay Facial Mask. So I've never heard of this brand before, but I do like some clay masks. So I shall be giving this a try today. It seems like there's probably enough for about 2 times in here. So I will go ahead and give it a try, and later on update the description box down below with how I loved it and how I love these and all that good stuff. And last but not least, I have this Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser, all skin types. And it says to remove, it effectively removes impurities, makeup, mascara without irritating. So that's kind of good because then you don't need like a makeup remover before washing your face. So let's see how this smells, or how it even looks. Thor, stop it. Be nice. I don't smell anything. It's just a whatever facial cleanser. It smells like nothing, but I will also link that in the description box down below and let you guys know how 84.6 natural content. Okay, so I guess it's not 100% natural, which is pretty normal for a face wash, I guess. Yeah, so that is all. Then I have these little cuties. This Boss Babe VoxBox, and this is a special delivery from Taste of Home. I get a free box using a promo code for food, so that's kind of nice. I get a little special delivery. All right, so that is all my loves. I'm really excited to try this and have that middle fingernail grow back. And I super love this, although I wasn't able to give it a try right now with you guys. But you know what? I don't care. I have to give it a try. Oh my God, again my hand and not the hair. Maybe it doesn't work, huh? Let's see. Let's see, one last try. Oh, there you go. I guess you kind of have to do it closer, or if you want to do like your whole hair. There you go. Now we talking. Okay, I'm gonna have to go do the other tip so I look like a normal human, but I have pink hands. Cool. So that is all my loves. Thank you so much for watching me do a mess. Okay, I shouldn't be touching my hair anymore. I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time.